Hello, subscribers. Welcome, friends. Consider becoming a member of the channel. And as this is Karthik Mah or Karthik month, we are going to look at the Bhagavad Gita. Krishna is none other than Narayan, who is none other than Ganpati. So let us, I've already told you how Krishna and Krishna/Narayan is Ganpati. So today's card from the Gita Tarot is Equal Vision, right? And let's look at the message. Vidya, Vinaya, Sampanne, Brahmane, Gavihastini, Suni Chaiva, Shwapa Kecha, Pandita, Sama Darshana. By virtue of transcendental knowledge, the wise see the same divine truths in all things, from the wise and gentle priest to the cow, the elephant, a dog, or even the outcast dog eater. Equal vision. Be all inclusive. Don't leave anyone out just because of a certain ideology or religion or caste or creed. Let us all have equal vision. For see, it's clearly stated that segregate not. The transcendental knowledge that thou art, Brahmagyan, Tattvamasi, is that the divine truth is in all beings. We are all divinity. So the message for today is equal vision. Thank you.